Can we recover Spotify account with our email or password? Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can actually recover your password, but it will require your email address or username. So what you can do is you can log into your Spotify application or website. There you will see the option of forgot password, or you can just head over to the password reset page. It will ask you to enter either your email address or username. If you forgot your email address, enter your username of Spotify. Then click on the send button. After this, an email will be sent to your email address. It will mention you or give the hint of the email address that is associated with the Spotify. There you need to click on the option of reset your password. Once you tap on the link, you have to type in a new password and again repeat it for confirmation. Then just click on set password. If you do not receive the confirmation email or the verification link, make sure to check for your spam, your trash, and your junk emails. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.